Good morning, D11. My name is Kiko Bohol, one of the FWMs of the 11th District, and I am here to tell you about Set for Life Plus. We have here a VUL plan. Ito ang isa sa mga regular plans natin dito sa FWD, wherein the client can enjoy the death benefit, huge death benefit, health coverage, and of course, investment. So pag sinabi nating VUL, insurance plus investment. Ang maganda dito, habang nagbabayad yung client natin ng monthly or yearly basis, yung portion of ng pera nila na binabayad nila can be invested sa ating mga investment funds dito sa FWD at pwede nila itong ma-withdraw in the future. And of course, sino ba ang pwedeng makabili nito or sino ang pwedeng maging insured when it comes to Set for Life Plus policies? Yan ang mga babies na 15 days old pa lang. Yes, pwede na silang magkaroon ng gatong klaseng policy. At yung mga taong hanggang until age 75 years old. So, ganun kalayo. Kasi ang maganda sa plan na ito, until age 100 ang benefit period. So, ibig sabihin, yung death benefit, hanggat hindi namamatay yung client, hanggat hindi umaabot to 100 years old, insured pa rin sila. We also have here, sino ba ang pwedeng kumuha nito? Napag-usapan na natin. Pero ilang years ba ang payment period nitong Set for Life Plus? The client can buy or they can choose 5 or 10 years pay plans. So yan yung mga pwede nating pagpilian. So yung mga clients na gustong pumili lang ng in 5 years time, gusto nila okay na sila, tapos na sila magbayad ng insurance, they can get this plan. Or kung mga clients naman na medyo bata pa or they want to save for longer years para at least pag matagal yung investment nila, mas okay yung money growth, di ba? Next, over here, we have the minimum annual premium para makabili ng Set for Life Plus. Magkano ba yan? Kapag 5 years ang pinili ng client natin, kailangan ang minimum is 40,000 a year. Yes, hindi pwedeng 35,000 or below. Kailangan 40,000 a year ang kukunin nila para ma-avail nila ang 5 years. Para ma-avail naman nila ang 10 years, ang minimum niyan is 30,000 a year. So, depende na lang kung anong payment period or payment mode ang gusto ng clients natin. And ano bang meron dito? The client can choose two death benefit. So ano yung options ng death benefit? Number one, yung level, sum assured or account value, whichever is higher. Yan yung mapupunta sa mga beneficiaries in case they die. Or yung another one naman is increasing. Pag sinabi natin increasing, death benefit or sinasabi natin sum assured plus the account value or the withdrawable fund value, yan na makukuha nila pareho. Diba? Most of our clients, ang kinukuha nila is yung increasing. Kasi syempre, kung ang death benefit is 2 million plus tapos yung investment side ng policy is lumaki na ng 1 million, so 3 million yung mapupunta sa mga beneficiaries. Also, ano bang mga features nitong Set for Life Plus? We have here the startup bonus. So, ang maganda dito sa startup bonus, para siyang yung manifest plan natin na umpisa pa lang, binibigyan na ng bonus yung mga clients natin. 'Di ba? Sa investment after 5 years and 10 years. So, paano ba binibigay ang startup bonus? 15 to 25% of basic annual premium. Yan yung idadagdag sa investment or account value kapag natapos na ng 5 years or 10 years ang kinuha nilang plan. 'Di ba? Nakakadagdag ng investment siya. So, premium extension bonus naman, ito ay binibigay naman sa ating mga investment, sa side ng investment or sa ating mga clients. 2% of the basic premium will be added to the account value if premiums are paid beyond pay period. So, syempre may mga clients tayo na kunyari tapos na yung 5 years. Gusto pa nila magbayad for the next few years, 6 years, 7 years. So, pwede yon. Kapag tinuloy-tuloy ng clients natin yung pagbabayad sa kanilang policy, merong additional na ibibigay si FWD na mapupunta sa kanilang account value, which is 2% of the premium. Diba? Malaking bagay na rin yun. Guaranteed milestone benefits naman, ang mga clients natin, syempre nagbabago yung buhay kapag sila ay kinasal, kapag sila ay nagkaroon ng bagong anak. Pag naka 10 years yung plan nila, 'di ba? Or nakabili sila ng magandang property, yung mga ganyang milestones in life, dadagdagan ng additional 20% to FWD ang kanilang death benefit or sum assured. 'Di ba? Yan yung mga milestones natin in life. Loyalty bonus naman, ang client can receive, 'di ba, an additional 1% of the average monthly account value for the past 5 years. 'Di ba? Ito ay payable on the 10th year of the policy. So, ito ay mag-work lang sa 10-year plans natin. We also have the rider additional benefits. Alam naman natin na napakarami nating riders. Pero syempre, kasama na dito when the client apply for Set for Life Plus, meron siyang makukuha na automatic na Safety Pro. Yan yung accidental death benefit na kapag ang client ay namatay due to accident, magkakaroon siya ng additional benefit on top of the sum assured. And of course, the Sure Pro for Sure Pro, yan naman ay waiver natin kapag siya ay nagkasakit. 'Di ba? Hindi na siya magtutuloy-tuloy ng plan niya. Ibig sabihin, paid na ni FWD or si FWD na yung magbabayad hanggang matapos yung 5 or 10 years na plan nila. We also have the premium holiday charges. Ito naman, premium holiday charges, kapag nakalimutan ng client magbayad, there are percentage of the annual premium ang ide-deduct doon sa kanilang account value. So, iwasan natin na yung mga delay payment, i-advise natin yung clients natin na dapat magbayad sila on time or ahead of time, di ba? Para mas okay at mas save din natin ang ating persistency. We also have the surrender withdrawable charges. Siyempre dahil VUL ang Set for Life Plus, lumalaki yung investment side ng policy ng client natin. But there are times na magwi-withdraw yung client natin. At kapag sila ay nag-withdraw on the first year pa lang ng policy, merong withdrawal charge na 90%. Napakalaki talaga. So it is not advisable for the client to withdraw their plan during the first few years kasi napakalaki talaga ng charges, di ba? We can advise our client to withdraw after siguro 8 years para zero na ang withdrawal charge nila. 'Di ba? Kung magwi-withdraw sila ng at least 30,000 talaga yung mawi-withdraw nila. Kasi on the first year, pag kunyari nag-withdraw sila ng 20,000, 90% of the 20,000 yan ang i-charge sa kanila. So again, let's not advise our clients na mag-withdraw agad sila during the 8 years period. All right? We also have the policy fee. Ito naman yung mga payment na nilalagay na or kinukuha ni FWD because of the insurance charges, may mga policy fee. Isa to sa mga charges na tinatanggal from the withdrawable account value. So, ang policy fee, yan naman nakalagay dito sa first year, 5 years, 80%. Pag 10 pay, 90%. 'Di ba? Yan yung mga charges na tinatanggal agad. Example, admin charge is 30 pesos monthly. So, very important na masabi rin natin sa client na merong mga charges talaga. And of course, fund management charges, dahil VUL ang Set for Life Plus, 'di ba? Isa ang fund management charge sa tinatanggal or dinededuct sa account value ng client natin. So, account value yan yung tinubo ng pera nila. 'Di ba? Meron tayong iba-ibang mga cost of insurance charges dito. Ito yung mga available funds natin, 'di ba? We have the Peso Bond Fund, 'di ba? And of course, the fund charge andyan sa gilid. In case naman tanungin ng clients yung mga yan, at least meron tayong masasabi. Alright? We also have here another funds ni FWD. Meron din tayong mga, ayan, funds ni FWD. Yan, may Peso Growth Funds, Equity Fund, and meron tayong corresponding charges dyan. Diba? Meron din tayong mga fund manager, Security Bank, and of course, FWD Insurance Corporation. We also have the fund switching. Meron tayong tinatawag na free fund switching on the first year of the policy. So in case na hindi maganda yung investment or tinutubo ng pera ng clients natin, we can advise our clients to fund switch. For example, ang first fund na pinili nila during the application is equity fund. They can change it to a better fund if tingin nilang kailangan nila. Alright? Pero ang maganda dito, let's advise our clients to do the fund switching after few years from the application of the policy. Kasi syempre hindi pa natin makikita yung investment return on the first few years of the plan. Alright, meron tayong every month the anniversary of the policy units equivalent to the cost of insurance charge will be deducted from the total account value, di ba? So again, ito yan, meron tayong binabawas na insurance charges, isa to sa mga cost of insurance. Si FW may binabawas na insurance charges depende sa age ng client, di ba? Kung sino yung insured natin. So again, monthly naman to at maliliit lang naman ito. And of course, ang importante sa atin, maibigay natin sa clients natin ang basic information and mga detalye ng Set for Life Plus. So my number one advice for you is to of course explain the benefits of the client, why they need to have an insurance with FWD that is both good for health, death benefit, and of course with investment side. 'Di ba? Yan yung mga VUL plans natin. And of course, si Set for Life, ang pwede nating sabihin sa clients natin na si Set for Life ay ang ating pinaka flexible plan because meron tayong two payment options, which is of course 5 years and 10 years. Ang maganda dito sa Set for Life Plus, pwedeng kumuha na ng Set for Life Plus yung mga babies. Basta naka 15-day-old na siya, kakapanganak lang, basta umabot ng 15 days old, pwede nang kuha na ng clients natin. At ang maganda pa sa Set for Life Plus, it can target different needs. Ano yung mga needs na yon? Number one, protection. Very important na makover natin yung client natin. When it comes to protection, protection against what? Against critical illness, against accident, and of course, hospitalization, and death, 'di ba? So, lahat ng clients natin, pwede nating i-advise sa kanila that they should start with a protection policy first. And of course, this plan is a good plan for protection kasi again, while they're saving their money, while they're paying their monthly premiums, 'di ba? Yung a portion of their money can be invested to our best performing funds para in the future another ma-address ni Set for Life Plus is the retirement year. The earlier they start, the better. Kasi there's more rooms or more years for them to invest their money para mas malaki yung makuha nila in their retirement years. Pwede rin si Set for Life Plus when it comes to education. Kapag baby yung kinuhanan na life insured, at least 15 years from the time na kumuha yung baby, na kinuhanan siya ng insurance, by the time na 15 years, 17 years from the time of the application, magka-college na yung anak natin, and whatever it is na ma-accumulate for the money growth can be used for the educational fund or the college fund of that child. Diba? And at the same time, yung ang maganda dito, i-compare natin siya sa bangko. Sa bangko, walang pwede tayong mag-save ng same amount, 40,000 uh, a year. Pero in case of death, walang ibibigay si bangko sa atin, sa ating mga beneficiary. At in case of critical illness, wala tayong aasahan sa ating mga bank managers or sa mga banks para i-cover tayo ng millions of money. Only life insurance ang pwedeng mabigay niyan sa atin. Kaya very important na ibigay natin yung benefits muna. Bago yung wag nating isipin yung mga commission na makukuha natin dito. Ang isipin natin is yung kung paano magbe-benefit yung clients natin sa mga ganitong klaseng plans that we have here. All right? And of course, Set for Life Plus is easy to understand. Ang pinaka-importante lang dito is mabigay natin yung key features ng Set for Life Plus. Ano ba yung mga key features ng Set for Life Plus? And of course, yan yung mga features natin na startup bonus. We also have the premium extension bonus. We also have the guaranteed milestone benefits. Mga loyalty bonus, and of course, mga riders and other benefits na pwede lang makuha if they get this plan. All right? My name is Kiko Bohol once again. Maraming salamat.